Hello and welcome to Ferrari of Central New Jersey. My name is Tatiana and today I'm here to introduce to you the new member of the Ferrari family, the 2019 Portofino. This Ferrari is named after one of Italy's most beautiful towns. Portofino is known for its charming tourist location and over the years has become synonymous with elegance, luxury, and sportiness, which fits this vehicle just perfect. The Ferrari Portofino brings an end to the Ferrari California T era, but it doesn't forget its roots. It uses the same twin-turbo 3.9-liter V8 engine, which is found in the 488 and the California T, pushing about 592 horsepower. As you can see, this Portofino is painted in the beautiful Rosso Corsa, which is Ferrari's most famous color. Walking around the side, you will notice the Scuderia Ferrari shield. And if you get a little lower, you'll see the 20-inch forged diamond wheels and yellow brake calipers. If you look a little closer over here, you'll notice that this Ferrari comes with the anti-stone chipping film, straight from the Ferrari factory in Maranello. On the front end, you will notice a more aggressive and sporty look than that of the California T. They added the more narrow LED headlights, the parking sensors, and the front grille with black chrome edges instead of the standard chrome one. Now let me show you what the back of the vehicle looks like. As you can see, it is a bit wider. It has new and upgraded LED taillights, the same beautiful prancing horse emblem, and one option that was added to this Portofino that you could add to yours as well is the black ceramic exhaust pipes. Now that you've all seen the beautiful exterior, let's take a look at the interior. The seats are covered in Nero, also known as black leather, with Rosso stitching, which perfectly welcome the Rosso seat belts. The Ferrari prancing horse is also stitched on the seat's headrest. These seats are full electric on this model, so it's easy to adjust your seat to your exact liking. The mats are special ordered colored ones with the logo, and further in you'll notice the aluminum passenger footrest. This driver's zone steering wheel is covered in carbon fiber, which comes equipped with the LED lights that let you know when to switch gears. On the steering wheel you have all your functions, starting from the start button, the wipers, the turn signals, the horn, the Manettino switch, which lets you choose your preferred driver mode, and the MagneRide dual mode suspension button that basically gives you the flexibility to have comfort and good handling at the same time. This was designed like this so that you have no reason to remove your hands from the steering wheel. The main difference in the interior is this 10.2-inch touchscreen, which gives you the ability to switch between your FM/AM radio, your USB Bluetooth media, the navigation system, your phone, the climate control of your seats, and the rest of your settings. The Portofino features a retractable hardtop, completely redesigned, and can now be open or closed in just 14 seconds, even on the move at lower speeds. This concludes the tour of our 2019 Portofino. Keep in mind, it is completely customizable to your own liking in our configuration room.